Mucemanini wa bunge aria mathuritwo rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio undu umwe na atongoria ngwataniro ino ni makinyaniirie na mugambo umwe kuregana na mutaratara wa kigina wa mwaka uyu uria wendekithitie kuongerera magoti. Kuregana na Azimio, mendekithia ma kwambatira igoti ria maguta kuma gicunjĩ kia 8 nginya 16 harĩ igana gucũngĩrĩria kwambatira kwa motungata na mathogora ma indo undu uyu gitanywo kwihirira wona igoti ria nyumba cia raithi ria kinyanirio.
We have refused to sit back and watch as Kenyans are being harassed to fix cash crunch caused by economic mismanagement, wasteful spending, corruption, and skewed and incompetent hiring into critical public positions. We reject this backward march. We reject the finance bill in total.
Azimio yugite ndikanyita mbaru mendekithia ma mutaratara uyu wona matwaro thiini wa bunge kuona undu uyu gukorwo ari mugaru wa maundu maria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yerire muingi hindi ya kambeini.
It is also our position that the finance bill as presently crafted must be withdrawn and replaced by a bill that appreciates the suffering the people of Kenya are going through.
Oho Azimio ni yugite mieri ya uiguano iria kwa ihinda riri yambite kurugama ndirarehe mbica ya thirikari na muoroto wa kuguithia ngarama ya muturire iria ni imwe ya agenda cia Azimio mieri-ini ino. Haha makiuga mekunyitirira murugamo wao mieri ino etianirio umuthe ari thiko ya muthia kuma riria mieri ino yaigirwo muhohio kwaga uguo etianirio.
Kenya Kwanza must agree that all Jubilee MPs and indeed any other MPs who have defected to Kenya Kwanza, in essence, have to face by-elections in line with the Constitution of Kenya. Until all these are agreed upon, the joint bipartisan talks remain suspended. Kenya Kwanza has up to midnight today to comply.
Ihinda-ini oriu Azimio ni mahamurithitie mubunge wa guthukio Sabina Chege ta muhiuria wa mucarisha wa aria nini thiini wa bunge thutha wa Speaker Moses Wetangula kuheana mwerekera mareheretwo ria uria utanyitwo kuiyukia ithenya riri niguo garuruku uyu ukindirwo na kuria riu giturwa giki githukeirwo mubunge wa Embakasi West Mark Mwenje.
We recognize Honorable Mwenje as a committed, consistent, energetic, and youthful fighter who has shown the will to stand up for the people and the party. We have no doubt that he will prove equal to the task.
Wagwetererwo ni mwerekera uria ngwataniro ikuya wona Kenya Kwanza maga macokio na kana hihi ni hekugia na wiguano ukugitira bururi gucoka mirurungano-ini. Kuna Kenya Kwanza ni maugite ni mehariirie guthii na mbere na mierio indi marauga Azimio ni iraheana mikana irauma nja wa mihaka ya wiguano wa mierio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndong'o.